Hello. Recently I've been doing some work making some bolts on the lathe. So cutting the threads, I use a tailstock die holder. The one I use is from the little machine shop. This one here. And once I got my tailstock totally in line with the headstock, the threads actually came out quite good. They are on center as far as I can tell. There's no wobbles side to side or anything like that. So I'm really happy with the threads. And then came time to cut the hex on the head, so for a hex key or something of that sort. I had gone ahead and bought a proper rotary broach bit. It's made for stainless steel, which is what I'm making these bolts out of, 316 stainless steel. And when I threw it in the rotary broach, like this, and pushed it against the bolt head, it just wouldn't go into the bolt head. It didn't. And I didn't want to push it too much because I didn't want to put too much strain and possibly break something. So I had seen in a video a while ago that some guy had pressed the rotary broach into the bolt head using a hydraulic press. So I went about doing that. And what I've done here is I made a rotary broach holder. So it slides in to here, and the load is transferred through this set screw, which is a bolt, to the back of the rotary broach. And the reason why I've done that and didn't just do a blind hole is because when the rotary broach gets stuck in there, if it does get stuck in there, then I can push it out through the back here. So I have this set up here, and now I'll show you how I did it on the hydraulic press. So first things first, I made a blank into the aluminum here that could accept this. So I threaded it all the way in, gave it a little bit of preload using just some vice grips because at the time this didn't exist. Then I placed this on top and just pressed it in with the hydraulic press. Now, it actually went pretty smoothly. It didn't require a whole bunch of pressure or anything like that. And as you can see, the hex is really quite good. It's a 4.5mm hex. And with this hex key here, you can see that it is pretty good. This is similar to what I see on factory bolts that you can buy. In my experience, M6s are typically torqued to 8 to right around 10 Newton meters. So I'll just give it a quick torque test. That is right about 8, that is right about 10, and it's still holding up quite well. The head isn't rounding off or anything.